Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a natural hair keratin for hair growth using aloe vera, mint, and castor oil. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Mint is a rich source of vitamin A, C, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese, and potassium, which nourishes your scalp and fortifies the hair. Apply this keratin for 30 minutes with a shower cap, then shampoo your hair.